Hello, this is Darren Martineau from Team Freedom. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite traffic sources and some of my favorite traffic. I have a new book called The Ultimate Traffic Guide, and so I will link how to get that. It will be inside of Team Freedom, but it's not free. But I'm going to talk about some of the stuff I talk about in the book, not everything. There's a lot of secret stuff in here, but I'm going to talk about some of my favorite traffic sources, okay? Number one is YouTube, okay, obviously. But for these safe lists and the traffic exchanges, um, so one of my favorite is the state of the art mailer system, okay? You can join it for free, and then they also have upgrades. So I'm going to leave a link to Team Freedom. When you put in your name and email, I'll have a link to all of these where you can join them, okay? And it's free, but then you can also upgrade, okay? And so I'm going to talk about these are safe lists and solo ads and things like that. And so these are places to run traffic to your site. And number two is going to be Hercules. Hercules is a really big uh, mailer. Number three is going to be 100% Clicks by Frank Salinas. The next one I want to talk about is called Goldmine. This is the only one that has ad blasters. You can blast it out to 4 million people. It's really powerful. Now, I'm also going to give promo codes to give a lot of free stuff in here as well. Um, I'll talk about a few more of these, my favorite ones. I like the proactive mailer. I like um, Mr. Safe List. I like, there's a lot of other ones. Quantum Safe List. There's a lot of other ones in here, but I'm just going to talk about some of these, okay? So inside my book, I have hundreds of these things. And what are they? Well, they're safe lists and traffic exchanges. Another one of my favorite is Lead Sleep because it's also a Swiss Army knife. It's like an email, it's a funnel builder, a page builder, it's a traffic exchange, it's an all-in-one marketing tool if there was such a thing. Although there's much more in marketing, but it's like a Swiss Army knife, So it's one of my favorite, Lead Sleep. So if you'd like to get access to some of these and much better AI tools, very best affiliate programs, my very best tools that I'm using, put in your name, click on the link, put in your name and email, and get access to Team Freedom right now, where I'll break down even more. There's hundreds of these. So we'll see you on the inside. Thank you very much.